Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a seller on eBay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ebay.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official eBay website. Click on the sign in button that you see at the top left corner and proceed forward with your credentials. And once you are logged in and taken back to the home page, if you wish to be a seller of ebay.com, and then click on My eBay at the top right corner. Then click on Selling. And now you will see the List an Item button. Go ahead and click on it and then enter whatever item you are selling. You will then be asked to choose the subcategory of the product and enter as much details as you can. Once you provide most of the details that are required by the product, you can click on the Continue to List option and you will be asked to enter the photo as well as video of the product. You can click on the respective options and upload your file and enter your display title. You will see various different options provided by you if you click on See Title Options. After selecting your category and entering all of the specifics of the item, you can provide a description that you wish by entering it within the description box. You can also click on Use AI Description to generate one automatically. Finally, after setting your pricing options, you can choose whether you offer shipping as well. Once all of your information has been listed, you can see the List It option. You can also click on the Preview button in order to preview your ad before you list it. And once you click on the List button, your ad will be posted on eBay. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to become a seller on eBay. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.